Hello Bizz viewers, let's have a look at the stock market today. Nifty 50 BSE Sensex opened higher on strong GDP growth. Indian equity markets opened in green on Monday, driven by a strong domestic fundamental and better than expected GDP growth. The Nifty 50 traded about 26,250, while the BSE Sensex hovered near 86,000. At 9:16 am, Nifty 50 stood at 26,284.65, up 82 points or 0.31%, and BSE Sensex was at 85,984.27, rising 278 points or 0.32%. Markets have sustained their upward momentum for the third consecutive week, reaching record highs. Positive domestic indicators combined with strengthening expectations of global rate cuts have contributed to a favorable medium-term outlook. Eight stocks: HDFC Bank, RIL, ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel, L&T, ITC, Infosys and SBI make up 50% of the Nifty. When most of these heavyweights rise, the index moves higher, even though 330 stocks in the NSE 500 remain below their September 2024 peaks. This explains why many retail investors still see lower portfolio values despite the record indices. The strong Q2 GDP growth of 8.2% driven by robust performance in manufacturing services and final consumption expenditure has further boosted market sentiment. However, modest nominal growth of 8.7% due to a low GDP deflator and the potential absence of an upcoming monetary policy rate cut may limit short-term gains. Global cues were mixed. US stocks rose on Friday's shortened post-Thanksgiving session, supported by strong retail sales and recovering technology stocks, although trading volumes were low. Asian markets showed mixed trends, reflecting investor caution ahead of expected Federal Reserve rate decisions. Crude oil prices climbed over 1.5% on Monday after OPEC confirmed that it would maintain current production levels in Cuba next year. In terms of flows, foreign portfolio investors recorded net sales of Rs 3,795 crore on Friday, while domestic institutional investors showed net purchases of 4,148 crore, reflecting continued domestic optimism.